Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need the basics set before deeper fixes. First, make sure Windows has installed all pending updates. The store often fails when OS components are out of date. Next, sign into your Microsoft account and confirm your region and time zone. Mismatches can trigger license or connectivity errors. Once done, run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. It checks service failures and cache problems and gives you a diagnostic starting point for the next steps. Now you'll perform the deeper, technical repairs. Reset the store app from settings or run WS Reset. EXE to clear its cache. This fixes corrupted temporary data. Then check Essential Services, Background Transfer, License Manager, and Store Install Service, so they run and are set to automatic. These services handle downloads and license validation. If problems persist, use PowerShell to re-register the store app and finish by isolating profile issues. Create a new Windows user and test the store there. If it works, your original profile has corrupted settings. If not, reinstall the store using PowerShell or perform an in-place repair install of Windows to preserve apps while replacing system files. Make sure to reboot between steps and verify network DNS settings. Troubleshooting tip. If errors persist, gather event viewer logs and network traces before contacting Microsoft support. Detailed log speed diagnosis and resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.